These Fortress car interior wipes offer a gentle yet effective cleaner that works on dashboards, consoles, seats, and other common cabin surfaces without causing damage or discoloration. The wipes are generously sized and well saturated, so one sheet can usually handle multiple areas before drying out, which makes quick detailing feel efficient rather than fussy. A simple, skin-friendly cleaning solution means your hands do not feel irritated after use, while still providing a hygienic clean for high-touch spots like the steering wheel and door handles. The compact, resealable travel pouch fits easily in a glove compartment or door pocket and does a good job of keeping the remaining wipes moist between uses. An included microfiber cloth helps buff away any leftover moisture and prevents streaks, leaving glossy plastics and trim looking even and uniformly clean. Because the formula is suitable for many non-porous surfaces, these wipes double as a handy option for tidying up around the home or office when you are away from your main cleaning supplies.